Fluidly honest review, and user experience best UIUX Wireframing tool. Designing a new app or website can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to turn ideas into clickable prototypes. That's where Fluidly comes in, a browser-based wireframing tool that promises simplicity and speed. But does it actually deliver? Here's my honest experience using it. Fluidly lets you design interactive prototypes directly in your browser. No downloads, no coding. I found the interface incredibly beginner-friendly. You can drag and drop elements, link pages together, and even add simple animations for flow testing. Most people get this wrong. They assume browser-based tools are too limited. But Fluidly surprised me with how responsive and powerful it feels. The built-in libraries for Android, iOS, and web layouts make designing quick and efficient. The real-time collaboration feature is another standout. Team members can comment, suggest edits, and watch design updates instantly. It's perfect for remote design teams. On the downside, the free version is quite limited. You'll need a paid plan to unlock more projects and advanced features. And while it's great for wireframing, it's not meant for high-fidelity design work. In short, Fluidly is perfect for rapid prototyping and early-stage design brainstorming. It's simple, fast, and built for collaboration, ideal for startups and solo designers who want results without complexity.